Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to make this motor look cool. I'm going to take off the intake, coils, and headers.
Headers, there you go. What are you going to do?
We're going to take the accessory drive.
Give her that accessory drive. Hey buddy, what are you working on?
I'm working on taking the coil pads off.
What are you doing?
I am working on the headers.
Are they rusty?
Yeah.
Alright, start cranking. Crank fast. You'll warm up. There you go.
That's what I call fast cranking. Crank.
Yeah, you got the tough job there, little dude. Hey, is it wiggly? Wiggle it. You getting it? Oh yeah, come loose. How about you, big shoots?
How
How many
bolts
you
do
got left?
have, bud?
So two.
2?
Yep. Yeah. Okay.
Tag and bag it.
But how many bolts do you have now?
One.
One.
And heavy.
Let's pop off, Dad.
You want to help grab this thing?
Hold this. Hold this.
I got it.
Just get out of that
Be careful. See this metal thing? It's kind of sharp.
Oh!
What's holding us up? Oh, the dipstick. Bamboozled by the dipstick. We're gonna get that out.
What's a dipstick?
Dipstick?
This thingy?
That thingy, yeah. You're not gaining anywhere. Can you just turn it with your fingers? You're just going back and forth. There you go.
Back, back.
Throw that in with the exhaust bag there, yeah.
I have 5 volts in here.
You can pull that dipstick out. The whole black thing. There you go. Pull the whole thing out. Just turn it. Keep rocking it like that and pull it straight up. Oh, you just... How'd you do that?
What? What?
You broke it.
Does that matter?
Yeah.
Great. Did you break 2 of them? Look at that. That's a bummer.
What?
That'll be another episode. We gotta drill out some bolts in an aluminum head. Yay! Yeah. Alright, how's your side going there, bud? Pull that thing right off. Grab here, pull it straight up. Are the plug wires still? Here, drop it down, pull those plug wires up. Just grab hold of them and pull them.
Yeah, this fan would spin like...
There you go.
I also
Yeah,
broke
put it in the tub over there. That's where all the parts are going. Over in the corner. Are you guys gonna switch it up? Bud, you want to do a manifold?
So what if I...
E, you want to do a coil pack? You're on the wrong side. Switch it around. You stay on your side. Grab your Bud's wrench. Show him what to do, Bud.
wrench or
Yep. How many?
right here,
One,
right here,
2, 3,
there,
And right here.
4, and then one on the end.
and here.
5.
5. Okay.
You're going the wrong way. Push it down. One more.
I got it. But no.
Congrats.
Is that all of them? Yeah, go pull it right off. There you go. Put her in the bucket.
Bucket of trash. That was not
All
as
right.
bad as I expected.
Let's do one more. Let's pull this intake and then we'll go in the house warm up because it's kind of chilly.
It's missing dog in here. Taking out and take out.
Why? This is really motorish. Why?
Day 2, clean up. We're gonna take this belt off, and then we're gonna take all this front junk.
Here, I'll loosen this. Ready? Now you pull that belt off. There you go. You gotta snake it around and get it down away from all the pulleys. Pull it over the fan. We'll find a way. You get it. Oh, there's more. You're almost there. Now you gotta remember how to put that on a couple of years later.
Yeah.
Just like these. This one and that one. Probably just use your hands on that one. One more. Make sure you got it on all the way or you'll slip off and smash your knuckles. Okay, you're tightening it. There you go, now do it. No, you're gonna have to pull up. There you go. Yeah, use some
It's a
soap.
little pain in the butt.
Here. Oh yeah! You're gonna need a bigger bucket.
Next time, maybe next video, we clean this up. Maybe we'll put some paint on it.
Yeah, next video, we'll pull these valve covers and this tray in the middle.
Comment below what color you think we should paint this baby. See you next time.
Here is a how to build, motor, and modify GM LS series engines. Why?
You know what that is?
No.
That's a book. That's
yeah,
what
that's a
we
book.
used to use before the internet.